Welcome. This week we're going to take a look at manhole waterproofing principles. Firstly, it's important to note that manholes come in many different shapes, sizes, methods of construction from project to project. Within the drawing we have here, we seek to capture three different scenarios. Firstly, precast manholes. Secondly, cast in situ. And thirdly, the instance where you have a plastic inspection chamber. Let's take the assumption we're constructing a foul water manhole. Generally speaking, a client's requirements is they wouldn't accept egress of waste and water within the manhole to the outside environment. To this end, we should be designing in accordance with Grade 2 under BS 8 102 2022. This means that there should be no dampness or water ingress from inside to the outside, and vice versa, also within the manhole consideration. So firstly, we're going to turn on the Grade 2 environment, and we're going to assume that waterproof concrete is going to be a definite line of defence here. So we're going to turn on the Hydrocrete waterproof concrete layer. As you'll see in the instance of the precast manhole, we have what's called in the industry a concrete biscuit that is cast around the top and perimeter of the precast, where the ground floor slab, or maybe the basement slab, is cast onto and terminates around the perimeter where the manhole opening would be. As you can see, the HydroSeal FX, which is a cementitious coating, would then be detailed onto the side of the slab edge, connecting onto the concrete biscuit at the top, providing that continuity on any upstand brickwork to the point of the manhole cover. Incorporation of hydrophilic water bars within the joints of waterproof concrete is fundamental, as in all normal instances of waterproof concrete construction. The second example we have here is a cast in situ manhole, where the entirety of the base, the manhole walls, and therefore the perimeter, basement or ground floor slab is all cast within Hydrocrete watertight concrete. A very simple method of detailing. Lastly, we have the instance where you have a plastic inspection chamber. Obviously the plastic is waterproof in its own right. There's no need to be considering any waterproofing from a manufacturer's perspective at all. However, the ground floor or the basement slab that connects around the perimeter of your plastic inspection chamber must be sealed with an appropriate hydrophilic water bar to prevent water ingress between the concrete and the plastic of the chamber. Important to note here, adhesive should be used for bonding the water bar onto the plastic chamber, and the aid of maybe tying wire on site to further secure the water bar in place and hold it during the concrete pour would be necessary. So that's our first line of defence. Now, in order to achieve two lines of protection, we're going to turn on the MaxiProof Plus as an example of a Type A external pre-applied membrane. When this layer is turned on, you will see that it fully details underneath the slab on the first precast manhole, with the HydroSeal FX coating going over the top of the concrete biscuit to provide that continuity. The second example shows how the MaxiProof Plus is detailed fully around the perimeter of your cast in situ manhole, and the appropriate sealing compounds used to seal between any pipe penetrations and the pre-applied membrane. And the last instance is demonstrating how the Type A MaxiProof Plus membrane seals effectively around the neck of the plastic inspection chamber with a twin seal compound GR. So we do acknowledge the grades of environment within manholes may change from one project to another. In the instance somebody is looking for a grade 1B, then the use of waterproof concrete only would be quite acceptable. We trust this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you back again next week.